Chippokes State Park. And it was quite the ride here. That is for sure. So we're out in the middle of nowhere, but it's secluded and it's actually really nice. And there are a couple of Class C's, so that's kind of nice because sometimes we don't always see Class C's. And it's raining. But I like this area that we have, kind of all our own here. And it's raised up. Look at that. So it's not like we're on the ground, we're raised, and I like that a lot. Wow, I see another Class C over there. It's like 4 Class C's right here, all in a area. Wow. Yeah, but it's really cozy back here, actually. The power. Get us all nestled in. It's gonna be so cozy. I'm so glad that we did not come here when it turned dark, because I didn't see any lights anywhere. And then it turned into like a really narrow, winding road. So but we're site 19, so we're actually the very first site when we turn on this side. So now we'll have to back in, and it's this gravel pad. Got a little grill over there. It's raining. I think it's going to be really cozy. Okay. And this is Chippokes State Park. All right, so now I'm going to go help Neville. We're level. And we better get ourselves together before it turns dark, because there are no lights out here. And it's going to be really pitch black in a little bit. What you doing, Nev?
Putting the filter on the water so I can hit the power.
Did I have it on tight enough?
Yeah, well, I had to take it off because you didn't have this on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is tight now. Yeah.
All right. We're right on the end, so we can kind of see a few other campers. Let's see the Class C's. I don't know what may be lurking in those woods. We have a picnic table and a little fire thingy. Ooh, that's neat. You see that? I love that.
Well, good morning. I am fixing a little bit of breakfast. And we're going to have breakfast outside in our little tent area that I set up. Hey, we're having breakfast out here. Mother's Day weekend. There's flowers. Having a little bit of breakfast. Amen.
Amen. Yummy.
We're getting ready to go biking. There's Papa. I see. See, this is the new section. See, it's all, everything is paved. And everything over here is reserved. That's why it's got the yellow tag, just like ours. So you have to book these. We are inside the Chippokes Plantation Visitor Center.
Here's the mansion. Here are all the places for us to tour. That's the mansion right there.
Mm-hmm.
So,
this is the James River, and we're on the Surry County side, and over that way should be the Newport News side.
Music today. So Chippokes was started in 1619. There was a man named Colonel William Powell who was working over in Jamestown. He'd come over with settlers and landed in Jamestown, and he started working with Chief Chippokes, an Indian chief, and learning how to farm the land here. He ended up a few years later, after doubling the size of that house, he decided I want a bigger house. So in 1852, he started building this house. He wanted this to represent Chippokes.
He's trying to make some s'mores, but they're not s'moring well.
no, they're not.
Yeah.
Mini marshmallows.
Yeah, you're gonna have to basically wrap them up, wrap it in there,
That's what I'm trying to do.
and then put them on the grill thing, which I'm lighting right now. We're using our little fire pit because the other fire pit is a little far away, so we want to keep everything a little closer. It's a nice fire pit, but we have our own little one. Just got through using the Blackstone to make some hamburgers and hot dogs, so that's already done. We have our chairs that we're just going to sit around the outside and do a little bit of s'mores.
Okay, Neville's making some popcorn, and he's making me nervous because I don't know. Just don't want to start a fire. It's kind of working, I guess. It smells like it's burning though. Not a steady pop at all.
That smells like it's burning.
Yeah. Which is probably why it smells like burnt popcorn.
It didn't pop very much. Yeah, some of it burnt.
Don't put it on there if it's on fire. And let's see what we've got. Burnt popcorn.
Burnt popcorn.
Eee.
Ugh. It's hard. Like it's old. Taste.
All right, everybody. Popcorn. Epic fail. Now we're trying s'mores. So,
What do you think of that? I think that's milky.
oh yeah, and because they're charred, we don't want them charred.
Okay, so that's done.
Yeah, don't want them burnt, so you can take those off. All right, now it's taking everything down, taking the tent down. Taking all of the stuff down because pretty soon it's going to be really, really dark in here, out here. So the tent just kind of pops up. Today we used the TV out here, so that was kind of neat. And we used our fire pit. All right, everybody, we are leaving Chippokes. I'm gonna just pull forward real quickly. See, that family over there is already gone.
And then back up, you said?
It will get into the black and then back up.
Oh, back up, so I got you.
Yeah. All right, we're just gonna do a double check to make sure we haven't left anything. Okay, so this was our site right here. Okay, you unplugged everything. All right, you take a look over there. Take a look, see, that was a nice site. We were nestled in there. Site 19. All right, and the pilot is ready to pull off. See some tent campers over there. They have a hammock and everything. All right, so this was a success. Come along and join us on this journey, exploring God's land. So much